Do you have inquiries related to your Juniper products or contracts? Juniper Support Portal helps you to create a support case to request help from our agents. Welcome to the Create, View, and Manage Cases video. In this video, you will learn how to create a case, view a list of cases, and manage a case. You will also learn how to change a case priority to indicate you need urgent assistance from our agents. Navigate to the Cases section on the home page. You can find all cases for your associated accounts in this section. You can create a case requesting support for a Juniper product or for inquiries on products, services, or contracts. To create a case, click the Create Case button. Indicate the type of case you need to raise based on your issue. If you are facing an issue with your software or hardware or need to return a defective product, create a technical case. If you have an issue with a product purchased from a cloud seller, such as Amazon, then create a technical PageE cloud case. If you have a non-technical issue related to account management, base updates installation, or access issues, create an administrative case. If you want to request network optimization services offerings using service-specific SKUs, AS, or Flex credits, create an advanced services case. You can also create MIST cases by visiting the MIST portal. For the purpose of this video, you select Technical and click Next. To create a case, complete the mandatory fields such as account name, priority, initial follow-up method, summary, description, and so on. All mandatory fields are marked with an asterisk, so they are easy to identify. You can view the tooltips for additional information. Enter the account name. Select the case priority based on how critical the issue is. If you have an issue that catastrophically impacts mission-critical functionality, select the P1, critical priority. If your issue significantly impacts mission-critical functionality, select the P2, high priority. If you have an issue that has minimal impact to business operations, select the P3, medium priority. If your issue has no impact to business operations, select the P4, low priority. For this example, you choose a medium-level priority, as your issue is related to high memory utilization. In the event one of our agents needs to reach you while working on your case, you can choose your preferred contact method by selecting the required option from the initial follow-up method field. If you select Case Update, the agent will add the updates directly in the portal. If you select Phone Call, you will receive a call from the agent. You can enter a phone number other than your registered phone number in the Preferred Callback Telephone Number field. Add a short summary of your inquiry in the Summary field, and then detail it in the Description field. You can add watchers to the case by entering their email addresses in the Watch List field. Click Next to add the product and software information. Add the product serial number or the software support reference number for the product you are raising the request. Click Validate. A valid serial number or a software support reference number is required to create a technical case. If the serial or reference number is invalid, an error message is displayed with the error description. A valid serial number or software support reference number will display the details of the service contract. The product series and platform details will be auto-populated. Ensure that all mandatory fields are updated before you proceed. Select the version and release values. If you select Unknown for both the version and release fields, then you can mention the reason in the Reason for Unknown Version and Release field. You can also specify the special release number, system or router name, and the customer tracking number if you prefer. The Recommended Articles section provides knowledge base articles related to the information you entered in the fields. For more information about the knowledge base articles, refer to the Search, View, and Subscribe to Knowledge Base Articles video. Click Finish to create the case. A case is created, and you should receive a confirmation email along with your case number. You can view a list of cases on the Cases homepage. The List Views option is set to Recently Viewed by default. Click the List Views drop-down to view all closed or open cases. The List View Controls feature allows you to customize the list view for new or cloned list views. You can clone any list view, name the list, and set your filter to create your custom list views. The View Upcoming Meetings option is a dynamic feature that details upcoming meetings. For more information on this Meetings feature, refer to the Meeting Support video. This is what an open case record looks like. This section displays a quick summary of a case, such as the case number, case type, priority, platform, and case status. The Details section provides details such as case overview, case information, contact details, and product details. The Related section displays defects related to this case, watch list details, RMAs related to this case, Zoom meetings details, and articles. The Attachments section displays the attachments for your case. If an agent requests some files from you, or if you want to attach files related to your case, you can click the Upload icon to add your files. If you have uploaded the wrong file or want to remove any file from the case, you can click the Trash Can button. If you need to upload large files, you can use SFTP. Refer to the article for instructions on how to upload files using SFTP. You can manage your case and interact with the Juniper agent that is working on your case with the Posts in Actions feature. All conversations about your case are visible in the Post section. To create your own post, add the text, format it as needed, and click the Share button. You can also attach files to your post. To close your case, click Request Case Close. Add your comments and select Yes. Comments are mandatory for requesting case closures. You have the option to change the priority of your case based on the disruption to your business. To determine which priority you should select, click each option and then read the examples. The Escalate Case functionality makes it easy to escalate a case or an RMA request. To learn more about RMAs, please watch our video View and Manage RMAs. To escalate, select the reason, provide the description in the concern text box, and provide a contact number. You can now easily create and work with your support cases. If you need further help, you can chat with the Juniper Digital Assistant. We're excited to have you join us on our support transformation journey.